Hey guys, so today I'm going bass fishing with the fly rod on the kayak. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be fishing with both of these flies. This one or this one is going to catch the most fish. Which one do you think it's going to be? And I almost lose the drone. So I'm going to try something a little different today. I didn't bring my back camera because I want to try to get some drone footage from out in the lake. I went to the gym yesterday and my arms are sore. The grass is getting thick. That's how thick this grass is. There was a bass. There's a bunch of them. Heck yeah. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh, he's just barely hooked. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Got him. This one looks like he's never been caught before. Let's see if we can send the drone up. Yes, we're on them, boys. Oh. I'm going to tie on a topwater fly. So the drone is definitely an experience all in itself. It loses active track. It's a super pain and I almost lost it in the water. But we got the new fly tied on and guess what? We're gonna send it up again. I am on the drone. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, if only I can catch a fish. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that fly. Just sitting there on top. We only have 10 more minutes to catch a fish. Good thing I brought the pliers. It's just in the top of his mouth. It's not in his gill. That is the one for today. Look at that. Woo-wee. Fat guy. I don't think I can cast that far, but I will try. I can cast that far. Let's see if I can get that fish. Oh, he swung at it. There, he swung at it again. He got it. Yes. Oh. Hoo-wee, not as big as the last one, but he's a jumper. Golly, this one loves to jump. He's not done yet. Come here, gotcha. Well, there's a beautiful sunset, and it was a lot of fun. Caught some good fish on the fly rod. It's always fun on the fly rod. Thank you to the Fly Shack. Seriously, you guys make some amazing flies, and they're dirt cheap. You keep anglers like me on the water. That was crazy. As soon as it hit the water, he came up and ate at it. And had a piece of grass on it. Oh, I missed him again. He must just be a little guy. Got him that time. He's a little bigger than I thought he was gonna be. Oh. Golly, he doesn't want to quit. He hit it like 4 times. Maybe all these. Maybe there was more than one. I'm gonna try and put one right up there next to those reeds. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be able to get him on the reel. Yep. I don't think they've ever seen a fly like this. They are eating it like crazy. Come here, pipsqueak. Gotcha. Oh, I hate when that happens. You gotta look behind you when you're fly fishing. Well, you guys probably can't see anything. I'm done. Whew, my phone is wet. I need to get me one of those waterproof phones. Hopefully it's not broken. The screen is cracked. Okay. All right, boys. That's another awesome day here at the south side of Lake Bastrop. Caught a bunch of fish. It was a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys next time.